Hi guys, today we're going to work on our assignment called Outfit of the Day or hashtag OOTD. Part of the reason we're doing this assignment is because a lot of you have shown interest in fashion, and so let's just take this to the next level. You're going to be creating 3 different outfits for this assignment. You're going to be creating a casual outfit, which is going to include a shirt, bottoms, which is pants or a skirt, shoes, a jacket or a sweater, and then 1 accessory. An accessory could be a belt, a scarf, a hat, jewelry, etc. You're going to make 1 sporty outfit. That will be your second outfit. It's going to include an athletic top, an athletic bottom, athletic shoes, and then a hat or a sweatband, and then a sports accessory. So this is really, the sports accessory is to show me what you would wear this outfit to do. Is it to play basketball? Is it to go do yoga? Is it to play soccer? So have that sports accessory there to kind of define what the outfit is for. And the last one you're going to do is you're going to make a formal outfit. So this is perfect because prom is tomorrow. So this could be a button-down shirt, a fancy dress, making vest, making a jacket, bottoms, pants, fancy shoes, any of those things. For this assignment, I am not giving you an imaginary budget, so you can pick whatever outfits or designs that you like. I'm going to give you an example as to how to do this in Photoshop. And so what I have done is I'm starting with my casual outfit. And so what I've done here is I've got my shirt right here. I've got a boxy shirt, right? I've got everything pulled up. I've got my bottoms. I've got my jeans right here. I have everything pulled up in different tabs, so I'm not constantly searching. So I now have all of the images. I've got shoes, check. Boxy shirt, check. Pants, check. An accessory, check, which is a scarf. And my jacket or sweater, check. So I am now ready to go. I've got all 5 items, and so I'm ready to begin on my photoshopping. The first thing you're going to do, now again, you can follow along on the website or you can just click pause every time you're ready to, but you're going to open Photoshop and go to File, New, and you're going to make an 8.5 by 11 inch page. This is pretty much your blank document. So go ahead and click pause here if you need to, and you're going to click on Photoshop. You're going to open up Photoshop. You're going to go to File, New, in Photoshop. You go File, New, and this is where I was telling you, you'll make 8.5 inches by 11 inches, 300 pixels per inch. Go ahead and click OK. And so you now have a blank canvas where you can drag all of those images to create your outfit. Now I'm going to hold down that command button and the minus button to give myself a little more room so that I can see the entire canvas. So you can see I did command minus or command plus to make my whole image larger or smaller. I have Photoshop open. I have my outfit images open. I'm just going to click on my shoes and I'm going to drag it into Photoshop. You can see that it's now ready to go. Over here are your tools. Over here are your layers. If you cannot see your layers or your tools, I need you to click up top on Window, and you need to make sure that you have layers selected, and you need to make sure that you have tools selected. You need to have a check mark next to them. If you don't, then this whole assignment is going to be really confusing and complicated. So make sure that you have all of those things open. The first thing I'm going to do with my clogs is I'm going to go to my Move tool. That's this one right here. And I'm going to move my shoes to the bottom of the page. I want my shoes to be a little bit bigger, so I'm going to hit Command T to make it larger. And I now have my shoe. So I'm going to do this for all of my articles of clothing. I've got a boxy shirt. I'm going to go ahead and drag it into here. It's really small. You hit Command and the letter T to make it larger. And when you're done, you hit Return. I want it still a little larger. Command T to make it larger. Hit Return. I've got my next item up. I've got my jeans ready. I'm just clicking and dragging them. Again, I'm moving them. Command T to make it larger. T stands for transform. You are changing the height of it. So I now have that. I'm going to my accessory. I click and drag. As you can see, it gets faster and faster and easier as you go. Now don't worry if you have white overlapping. That's totally fine. I'm going to show you how to fix that in just a second. Command T to make it larger. And boom. Now, as you can see, there's white covering up these boxes. Now, that's totally normal. Don't even worry about it. We're going to start by clicking on a layer. So how do I know what's on my layer? Well, if I turn the eyeball on and off, I can see what it is. This is my oversized sweater. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my selection tool over here. I'm going to hold it down, and I want my quick selection tool. If I want to make my selection tool larger, I hit the right bracket key. If I want to make it smaller, I hit the left bracket key. So I'm holding the right bracket key down, I'm holding the left bracket key down. And I'm just going to click on my sweater. Notice I clicked at the center and not on the sides. I clicked at the center. That looks fabulous to me. So I'm now going to click this little button that looks like a camera. And this little black mask is going to pop up. A mask covers up all the stuff you don't want to see. So all I have to do now is double click and layer styles will pop up. I'm going to go ahead and click on stroke. Notice the whole line turned blue. I want a nice bright color. I'm going to pick a nice turquoise to surround my image, and I'm going to change the size of it. And I'm ready. I'm going to click OK. You're going to continue these steps for all of these. All right, so these are the steps that I want you to do. Once you are done and every single item has a stroke around it, I want you to click on your text tool. You have everything finished, you're going to click on your text tool. Just click and drag right here. This allows you to write everything that you want to write. I'm going to write casual, C-A-S-U-A-L-O-U-T-F-I-T. And I'm going to pick the font that I like, pick a color, there we go, casual outfit. That is my casual outfit. So now I've titled my page. I have all the items on there and everything has a stroke around it. I'm going to go to File, Save As. File, Save As. And the first thing I want you to do is change the name of it. So write in your first name, don't type in first name, write your first name. And the type of outfit. It could be hashtag OOTD1. Then I need you to change your format from Photoshop to JPEG. The last thing I want you to do is make sure that you're saving it to your desktop. If you're not saving it to your desktop, it's going to be confusing to find where it is. Once you've done that, go ahead and click Save and email me your final product. Alright guys, great job. Now go ahead and finish this for all of those outfits. Have fun.